Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to describe about 6 things which is very much important for newcomers once they arrived in UK. If you like this video, do like, share, and if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Here are the 6 things you have to do after you arrive UK. Number 1 is you need to book a taxi from the taxi stand for your room. While going to your location, you can book a taxi from taxi stand, or else if you have someone who can book online cab for you like Uber, Bolt, which is more cheaper than the taxi. Number 2 is oyster card. If you are living inside London, then you can make a travel card which is called oyster card, which is easily available nearby the local shops, and it costs £7. Similarly, the third is BRP collection. BRP stands for Biometric Residence Permit, which can be used to confirm your identity and right to study. But you cannot use your BRP to confirm your right to work and right to rent. You will need to prove your right to work or right to rent online. You can collect this BRP card in the address which is mentioned in your visa granted letter. Likewise, number 4 is NI number, National Insurance number. National Insurance number is very much important, as this number ensures your NI contribution, and similarly tax are recorded against your name only. For this, to apply, you must have a passport from any country and you need a BRP card as well. To prove your identity, you need to take an upload of yourself holding a passport and photos of other identity documents. When you have finished your application, then you will get an email with your application reference number with which you can start your work. You will receive your NI number within 4 weeks. The very most important things is bank account. Most of the banks requires proof of address in UK. However, there are some banks which do not require such proof of address like Lloyds, Halifax, and Barclays. You can do online bank as well, such as Manjo, Revolut, and so on. The last but not the least is NHS. NHS refers as National Health Services. For this, you need to find the nearest GP surgery from your location where you are living, and you need to visit them to register it, or you can do it online as well. You will get a registration letter in the post in which your NHS number will be shown. Basic steps were described by me already above. So now you can get your term time letter from your uni and you can start your preference work. Best of luck for all the newcomers. Thank you. Bye bye.